Thank you to all who have sent pictures and videos to us today. You have been our eyes in the sky, so we can't thank you enough for all that you have done for us here over the last 4 to 6 hours, where our weather has not cooperated for some of us by any means. This is a picture sent to us through pins. This is from Karen W. in Fincastle, where you can plainly see right here a wall cloud in the distance. These cells have been rotating every now and again throughout the day today, but thankfully we have had 0 reports of any tornadoes confirmed on the ground, which is the best news you can possibly have. This is also great news. The tornado watch that was expected to expire at 9 p.m. just was canceled about 45 seconds ago. No more tornado watch across southwest, central, and south side Virginia. That being said, we are still watching and tracking these showers and thunderstorms that are extending from Clifton Forge into Rockbridge County into areas just to the north of Lexington. What I want to do is I actually want to turn on the storm relative velocity with this. What's that? That's our best way to see if there is any sort of rotation in these cells. And fact of the matter is there is some weak rotation in these cells. In order to find rotation or spin in these storms, you need to have this green color close to this red color. And we do indeed have that just to the south and also to the east of Clifton Forge, just to the south of Interstate 64. So right in here, there is some weak rotation, but there's not enough for the National Weather Service to issue any sort of severe threat. And also perhaps some wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. So again, right now, right over Iron Gate, over towards northern parts of Rockbridge County, we've got some nasty weather just to the north and also to the west of Lexington. Chris?
Yeah, hey there, Jeff. So still tracking a few of those stronger storms, as you were just saying right there, as you go right along I-64 is really the hotbed for anything that we see remaining this evening. And future trackers doing a dynamite job of showing just that. You also notice some very sporadic storms in West Virginia, so you could still have the chance for localized wind damage in a storm or two, especially as you go near I-64 up until about 9 p.m. or so. After that, maybe a scattering of showers or two, but really the atmosphere is worked over. It's spent a lot of its energy, and it spent a lot of it elsewhere, especially as you go toward northern Virginia, D.C., and portions of the Carolinas. But just as Jeff was showing you that picture that was so fantastic there from Karen W. in Fincastle, you can send any pictures that you may have had over the course of the day to pin it on our free weather app. That's also where we update you guys, especially on days like today. Now, tomorrow is going to be a breezy day behind this storm system. High temperatures about 80 to 86 degrees. Wednesday will start to warm things up, and that brings us to our next weather maker. I'm going to toss things back to Jeff so he can kind of walk us step by step through that one.
You need to know, Chris, tomorrow's going to be a beauty, okay? Yeah. Tomorrow's going to be quiet. It is going to be breezy, as you said, but it's going to be dry. It's Wednesday where we'll start to see maybe a slight chance for an afternoon shower or thunder shower, but our next real weather maker comes on Thursday. Thursday, we're going to have another cold front approaching from the west, and what that's going to do is increase our chance for more scattered showers and thunderstorms. And yes, a couple on Thursday could even pack a punch for us. May have to issue another weather alert day for Thursday. We'll let you know as the time draws near, but Thursday is our next best chance to have some rain and thunderstorms widespread across the region. All right, friends, as we take a look at the extended forecast, Chris was talking about a weekend warm-up. Look at it, lower 90s on Saturday, near 90 on Sunday, still in the upper 80s to near 90 on Monday. Notice that good chance for rain on Thursday, drying out Friday, then hit or miss thunder showers return as we head into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.